In today's video, I'm going to share with you how do you actually enable on-screen virtual keyboard. If your keyboard is spoiled or you need a second alternative keyboard, right? You don't have to buy a keyboard. You can actually use your laptop, right? Okay, there's this button, your Windows 11. Okay, go to search. Okay, go search and go to settings. Go to settings. And then you go to accessibility. Use your mouse. Okay. Use your mouse. Okay, go to accessibility and scroll down. Keyboard. Okay, look for on-screen keyboard, which is here, and just turn it on. There you go. The on-screen keyboard is available now. So you can actually use it. If your keyboard is spoiled, you can actually use this to type. Okay, function key, okay, ABC, things like that. Right? Okay,